For entertainment purposes only. And if you want true legal advice, contact your own lawyer.
You're listening to Radio Law Talk. And now back to the show.
Cal's played all kinds of jives, man.
Everything I can get in there.
Everything you can get in there, you can just try it out, man. All right, here we are. I just got to let you know that today is a Krispy Kreme Donuts Day. There is a lawsuit being pursued against Krispy Kreme Donuts. I, myself, the host of Radio Law Talk, the nationally syndicated Radio Law Talk, felt that it was important and imperative that what we do is bring in this wonderful Krispy Kreme, and we're going to test whether or not this class action case is going to win. And we're going to, I think it's really imperative post-Thanksgiving, since I haven't eaten enough and I'm kind of still hungry, that we check out the Krispy Kreme donuts. We bought them, and the lawsuit is concerning these individual little jewels. Look at them. Look at them go. I'm live. Who wants to go live on theirs? Because I'm live on my personal Facebook page. But I'm telling you, look at those jewels.
Yep. I mean, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 glazed donuts. And then we have a glazed, and that must be the raspberry filled.
Yes.
That is part of this lawsuit. Then we've got was that a maple or a maple?
That's a maple.
And then down there what is that one at the bottom?
That is the glazed blueberry cake that is being sued and is supposedly there's false advertising about the blueberry cake.
And so that's what happened. The plaintiff or the representative plaintiff. Slurpie. So the representative plaintiff, and that is you have a class action lawsuit, and there's usually a plaintiff and then a bunch of others that are
right.
That join in. They have the right to join in.
And his name is Jason Sadian. And he decided to file a lawsuit because he claimed that the advertising for the ingredients were somehow misleading, that the glazed raspberry filled, the maple bar, and the glazed blueberry cake donuts do not actually contain real raspberries, maple, or blueberries. That is the complaint.
All right.
And he's trying to protect the consumers. That's part of his suit.
I mean, look, we have global warming. We have economy that's up and down. We have an impeachment going on.
People being shot.
People being shot. We've got all of this stuff. People kneeling during the national anthem. But dang it, Krispy Kreme is the one we are going to go ahead and focus on. That's his pet
Is this the same guy that sued Subway because their foot longer was only 11 inches long?
No, but that was a very good suit. That suit,
Cal's talking about the foot long again.
You know, if I just can't even go there, okay?
A man can dream.
Let's stick with our Krispy Kreme donuts.
Or exaggerate.
Yeah, right.
Did that come from you?
I said nothing.
Would you guys? Can we continue on with our
let us continue
test?
on.
So how are you going to tell, Fred? Just
this
by
is what we're
putting
going to do. This is what we're going to do.
Donut to the lips. How are you going to tell?
You got to understand a couple of things. First of all, one of the reasons this lawsuit is coming forth is he says the tray behind the glass counter, as they're displayed, the placards on the front provide the name of the donut variety, which is tricky. Okay, now here's my point. I'm arguing for defense now, all right? So one of the big arguments is the raspberry filled is not real raspberry. It is a iced raspberry filled, and a glazed raspberry filled is not real raspberry. Now, out on the front of the counter, it says raspberry filled or raspberry donut, right? Who says it is real raspberries on that? I might say, as a defense counsel, how do we know we're not talking about someone rubbing a raspberry on someone's leg? And that's what it's about.
There are also legal definitions as to real filling and jam, right? Like sugar percentages, pectin, and actual fruit juice and all that.
But do they say real on it? I don't think they do. They just say the word raspberry.
Has this guy done a chemical analysis, or is he just speculating?
I don't know, but I think we need to test.
Yeah,
so
no,
here
he
goes
did.
the test.
I think he did an analysis.
You guys talk all you want.
What he did
Here
on the
goes.
maple version, he tested to find out if there was any maple syrup or maple in it, or a derivative of some kind of maple, and nothing was in there that was maple.
Cal?
Well, that's practically
Can you
criminal,
send your runner over here to come get one of these for you? Denise, here you go. Here you go.
All right, now here's a
Denise, you have to take a look. My fingers are clean. I washed my hands.
As you're chewing,
Here.
please give us a report, Denise.
Okay.
What are you chewing? What kind
That's
do
for
you have?
Cal. That one's for Cal. That's for Cal. Okay. Hold on.
Oh,
hold on.
yeah. I'm eating a
Is that a
donut
maple
here.
you have there, Mr. Cuner?
I have the.
We're all trying the blueberry.
I have the blueberry donut.
Blueberry donuts.
Yeah.
I don't care if that's real blueberry
You
or
can
not.
see the
man.
blueberries. Huh?
That is the part that's kind of questionable. If there's no blueberries in it, what
see
are
if-
those little blue things in there? See
I don't
it?
know. Does that matter?
I think it does.
Is that,
I
did
think
did that trick you, Denise?
It's blueberry-licious.
It's blueberry-licious, according to
Yes.
Cal.
It does.
All
taste
right, let's go
blueberry.
next. Here we go. We got to keep going here. This is live radio, so this is very important. I am cutting now. I wish someone would take a picture of me doing this, but they're too busy eating.
Yes. Well, I can't.
This is the famous maple. Okay, come get one for Cal. Here we go. All right, this one's for Cal.
That's his favorite kind, huh?
Here's Cal. Cal, it's coming your way.
Thank you.
Here we go.
All right. Maple.
Maple. Okay, here you go, Todd. I'm going to give you the largest part because you like maple donuts.
Sure, I do now.
And I'm worried
Thank you.
that you just have to take a bite, Denise. I'm worried that they are tricking us on this maple donut. They say it's not real maple. Let me try.
That one I don't care. It could be not real maple. It's really good.
Here's the thing about this. This is not.
Oh,
This is
Faye.
not a novel idea
Faye.
here. This
Faye.
is not the first time. Krispy Kreme has been sued, by my count, at least 3 times in the last 2 or 3 years over the exact same allegations, and the lawsuits all got dismissed. In 2016,
Sorry.
In 2016, there was a class action lawsuit claiming that they engaged in false advertising and misled customers about the nutritional content. That was dismissed in 2017.
You're worried about nutritional content when
Yes,
you're eating a donut.
When you're eating a donut. That's amazing. Okay.
Okay.
Then there was another.
I guess that goes back to the cigarette cases, right?
There was another nutritional content class action lawsuit that was filed in 2017. That was dismissed as well. In 2018, somebody, let's see, last name was Agahanyan, Agahannyan, Miss A, sued, and get this, listen to these donuts that she complained about. They should stop selling donuts with using the words blueberry, maple, claiming that they didn't have actual maple or blueberries in it. And she wanted the donut giants to pay $1,000 per plaintiff in the class action lawsuit. That got dismissed. And so here this person is reviving a class action lawsuit or the idea of a class action lawsuit when Krispy Kreme has already been down this road before in the last 2 or 3 years. They've all been dismissed. This isn't going anywhere.
I hate to say it. I'm sorry. I'm going to say this. You ready for this? It smells like Robitussin DM strawberry or the raspberry cough syrup. I'm sorry. That smell, it brought back bad memories.
It smells like cough syrup, but it tastes like heaven.
It smells like cough syrup. I'm sorry, Krispy Kreme. I'm a fan. Oh, my gosh. Smell that.
I agree.
Smell it right there.
It has the cough syrup aftertaste.
Oh, that's a cough syrup. Hold on. Let me try the cough syrup.
You know, out there are people that are just like, oh my gosh.
This is how Fred sounded last Friday when we went to dinner.
Somebody is tuning in right now and has no idea what's going on because they missed the context, and it's just like, what the heck is going on?
I'm for the lawsuit for the raspberry. I want real raspberries. That tastes like cough syrup. I'm sorry, Krispy Kreme. That's just my personal opinion.
Yeah.
That does not taste good. I'm sorry. I'm a raspberry. I like raspberries, but a fresh raspberry is the most important thing, Cal.
I agree.
I don't know.
But, you know,
If I'm the plaintiff or defendant, if I'm Krispy Kreme, I'm tempted. Go ahead, take this thing all the way to a jury trial. Go ahead. I want to see you with a straight face try to convince a jury that this matters.
Now here's the deal.
It's a donut shop.
Just so you know, why they say glazed lemon-filled donuts contain actual lemon juice. Cinnamon apple actually has apples in it, and glazed strawberry has strawberries. Therefore, it's confusing because you're automatically thinking Everything else has got those wonderful flavors like the Krispy Kreme donuts.
And my response is, look, we specifically said in this because that's the stuff that has real. If we wanted to say that stuff had it, we would have said so.
Well, all I got to say, he's asking for $5 million.
Yeah.
$5 million. Cal says we got 30 seconds left. During the break, let's see if we consume all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 donuts left.
In the interest of the law, I suggest you dive in.
Go to the website, radiolawtalk.com. That's radiolawtalk.com.